Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation during a trip, making phone calls from a hotel. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and the people they call during their trip. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So, here is today's question. What word does Sam say for the letter B when he spells the street name Baker? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good morning, Ellie. Are you ready for today?
Almost, but I think today is going to be a busy day for phone calls.
Really? Why do you say that?
Well, first, we need to call the front desk. We want to ask about leaving the room later than usual.
Okay. What's next?
Then, we need to call a taxi company for tonight.
And after that?
We also need to call the restaurant to book a table. Then I want to call the airline to check our flight time.
That is a lot of calls. We should make a list.
Good idea. Let's write it down. Checkout, taxi, restaurant, flight.
Okay. Is something wrong? You look a little tired.
I'm okay. I just keep missing my friends' calls back home.
Oh, why is that?
It's the time difference. When it's morning for me, it's the middle of the night for her.
Oh, that's hard. You call and she's asleep.
Exactly. Or she calls and I'm asleep. Look, 3 missed calls from last night.
That's hard, but I'm sure you'll talk to her soon.
I hope so. It's strange being so far from home.
I understand. But for now, let's think about our own calls today. Who do we call first?
Let's call the front desk about the checkout time.
Good idea.
We want to stay in our room a little longer this morning.
Good plan. Do you have the room phone, or should we use your mobile phone?
Let's use the room phone. It's right here on the desk.
Perfect. After that call, we can go get some coffee.
That sounds nice. I just hope this call is quick.
Most hotel calls are pretty quick. Don't worry.
Okay, let's start with the front desk then.
I'll listen while you talk. Ready?
Ready. Here we go.
Before you call, what time do you want to check out?
I'm thinking 1 o'clock. That gives us more time to pack.
Sounds good. And after the front desk, we can call the taxi company.
Right. I saw a card in the room with a taxi company's number on it.
Good. We can use that. Let's also decide what time we want dinner.
7 o'clock feels right. Not too early, not too late.
Okay. And the flight tomorrow morning, we should double-check the time too.
Yes, I want to be sure before we go to sleep tonight.
Great. That's our whole plan for today. 4 calls, and then we can relax.
I like that plan. Let's start now before we forget something. Hello, this is room 312.
Hi, this is Diego at the front desk. I'm sorry, could you say that again? Was that 312?
Yes, that's right, 312. I have a question about checkout.
Sure, how can I help you?
Our checkout time is 11 o'clock, but could we stay until 1 o'clock instead?
Let me check that for you. 1 moment, please.
Sure, that's fine.
I have some good news and something you should know.
What do you mean?
Staying until noon is free for you today.
Oh, that's good.
But if you stay past 12 o'clock, there is an extra charge.
I see. How much is that?
It's the price for half a day, $30 for a room like yours.
Okay, that's good to know. Can we just stay until noon then? That's free for us.
Yes, of course. I'll put a note in the system for room 312. You can stay in the room until noon with no extra charge.
Thank you so much, Diego.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Actually, yes. Do you know a good taxi company near the hotel?
Yes, we usually use a company called City Rides. I can give you their phone number.
That would be great, thank you.
The number is 555-0123.
555-0123. Okay, I have it.
They're usually fast, especially in the morning.
Perfect. Thanks again for your help.
You're welcome. Also, do you need anything else for your room?
Actually, could we get some extra towels?
Of course. I'll send someone up with fresh towels in about 10 minutes.
Thank you. That's very kind.
No problem at all. Are you enjoying your stay so far?
Yes, very much. The room is lovely and the place is perfect for walking around the city.
I'm glad to hear that. Let us know if you need anything else during your trip.
I will. Thanks again for your help today, Diego.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hello, is this City Rides?
Yes, this is Nadia. How can I help you?
I'd like to book a taxi for tonight, please.
Sure. What time do you need the taxi?
We need it at 6:30 in the evening.
Okay, 6:30 tonight. What's the address?
It's the Rosewood Hotel on Baker Street.
I'm sorry, could you say that again? Is it Baker or Barker?
Baker. B-A-K-E-R.
I want to be sure. Could you spell that with a word for each letter, like S as in Sam?
Oh, sure, that's smart. B as in boy, A as in apple, K as in kite.
B-A-K. Okay, I have that so far.
E as in egg, R as in red.
E-R. Okay, B-A-K-E-R. Baker Street. Thank you.
No problem. That trick is really helpful for phone calls.
It is. We use it every day here. Street names can be hard to hear on the phone.
I never thought about it before, but I understand now.
Now, how many people will be riding?
Just two of us.
Great. And where are you going?
We're going to a restaurant called the Green Door, near the river.
Okay, I have that. Your taxi will arrive at 6:30 right in front of the hotel.
Thank you so much, Nadia.
Before you go, can I get a phone number for the driver to call if needed?
Sure, my number is 555-9876.
555-9876. Okay, thank you.
Should the driver call if there's a problem or just wait outside?
The driver will wait outside for a few minutes. If you're not there, then he'll call.
I understand. What does the taxi look like?
It's a white car with a small blue sign on the top that says City Rides.
Perfect. That will be easy to find.
One more thing. If the address changes, please call us again as soon as you can.
I will. Thank you so much, Nadia.
You're welcome. Have a good evening.
You too. Bye now.
Hello, is this the Green Door restaurant?
Yes, it is. This is Theo speaking. How can I help you?
I'd like to book a table for tonight, please.
Of course. How many people will be in your group?
There will be 2 of us.
Great. What time would you like to come?
7 o'clock, please.
Let me check. Yes, we have a table open at 7. Can I get a name for the table?
Yes, it's under Ellie.
Perfect. Ellie for 2 people at 7 o'clock tonight.
That's right, thank you.
You're welcome. Before we finish, can I ask you something?
Sure, please ask.
If your plans change, could you please give us a quick call? That really helps us plan the evening.
Oh, of course, I understand. We should always call if we can't come.
Exactly. We save the table for you, so it helps a lot to know early if something changes.
I promise we'll call if anything changes, but I think we'll be there.
Wonderful. We will be happy to see you both tonight.
Thank you, Theo. One more question. Do you have a dress code?
Nothing too formal. Just nice and comfortable is fine.
Perfect. Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. Do you have any food allergies I should know about?
No, neither of us has any food allergies, but my friend does not eat fish.
Thank you for telling me. I'll make a note for the kitchen.
That's very kind. Thank you.
Of course, we want everyone to enjoy their meal. Is this your first time visiting our restaurant?
Yes, it is. We heard great things about it from other travelers.
Wonderful. We hope you both love it. We're known for our fresh bread and outdoor seating by the river.
That sounds amazing. We are very excited.
You're welcome. See you at 7.
See you then. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a nice afternoon.
Hello, I have a question about my flight tomorrow.
Hi, this is Farah with the airline. I can help with that. Can I have your flight number?
Yes, it's flight 225.
Thank you. One moment while I check that.
No problem, that's fine.
Okay, I see your flight here. It's leaving at 9:45 in the morning.
9:45. Okay, I tried to check that on the app, but it wasn't clear.
I understand. The app doesn't always show everything. Is there anything else I can help with?
Actually, yes. My friend and I want to sit together, but the app wouldn't let us change seats.
The app couldn't do that, but let me check what I can do for you over the phone.
Oh, thank you. That would be great.
First, can I have your full name and your booking number?
Sure. It's Sam Turner, and the booking number is AB123.
Thank you, Mr. Turner. Give me a moment.
Sure, no problem.
Okay, good news. I can move you to seat 12A.
That's great.
That seat is right next to your friend in 12B.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Is there anything else?
Just one more thing. Can I pay for a bag now, or should I pay at the airport?
You can pay now by phone, or you can pay at the airport desk.
I'll just pay at the airport then. Thank you for your help today.
You're welcome. Would you like a text message with your new seat information?
Yes, please. That would be helpful.
Okay, I'm sending that now to the phone number on your booking.
Perfect. Thank you. What time should we arrive at the airport tomorrow?
I recommend arriving 2 hours before your flight, so around 7:45 in the morning.
2 hours before. Okay, that should be easy since our hotel isn't far from the airport.
That's great to hear. Is there anything else I can help with today?
No, I think that's everything. Thank you for your help today.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight tomorrow.
Thank you, Farah. Goodbye.
Goodbye, and thanks for calling.
What a day! We made 4 phone calls today.
I know. Check out, taxi, restaurant, and the flight. We did it all.
And every call went well. Even the taxi call this morning with the tricky street name.
Right. B as in boy, A as in apple. I might use that trick myself next time.
It's a great way to make sure people understand you on the phone.
While you were in the shower, something good happened.
Oh yeah? What was it?
My phone rang, and it was finally my friend from back home. She called me back.
That's great news. Did you get to talk?
Yes, we only talked for a few minutes, but it was so good to hear her voice.
I'm glad you finally got to talk.
Me too. I finally reached her.
I'm really happy for you. You were thinking about that all day.
I was. The time difference made it so hard this trip.
But you found a way.
We did. We found a few minutes that worked for both of us.
What did you two talk about?
Just simple things. How the trip is going, how she's doing at home. Nothing big, but it felt so good.
Sometimes a short call is enough.
Exactly. Now I feel much better.
Good. So are we ready for tonight and tomorrow?
I think so. What do we have?
Our taxi is booked for 6:30 and dinner is at 7.
Right, and checkout is at noon tomorrow.
Yes, and we checked our flight time too.
I think we're ready.
That's great.
This trip has really taught me a lot about making phone calls in a new place.
Me too. I feel much more sure now.
Same here. Let's go get ready for dinner.
Sounds good. I'm hungry already.
Me too. Let's go.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What word does Sam say for the letter B when he spells the street name Baker? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.